Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna take a closer look at this ALPINA B10 B-Turbo based on the BMW E34 model. This is made by Solido at a 1/43 scale. As you can see, everything looks pretty good in the front. Also, I have to say I really like the color of this model. This green looks pretty good. Next we have the headlights, which look pretty good. We have the ALPINA logo there on the bumper. Next on the side we have the ALPINA wheels, which again look pretty good. Also we have going on the side of the model the ALPINA decal. In the back, very nice details as mentioned as in the front. We also have the ALPINA logo, the BMW logo. We have also the model logo there on the right. Let's try looking at the interior as well. Sadly, being a black interior is a bit harder to see. And also we don't have, this model doesn't have opening doors. But as far as I can see, it's quite decent in real life. Please tell me in the comments what do you think about the model, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel.